I have no clue how I'm gonna do this, but that's how it works out. I'm gonna find a picture of you, trace you out, extrude, and then say like something on the card. It'll be cool. I'm literally about to make my uncle's face in SolidWorks. I hate when I don't know how this thing works. I'm trying to upload a picture of you, but you know, I actually am not the best at this. Surprisingly. So, it'll take a while, but I'll get there. I'll get there. Gotcha. Alright. If my calculations are correct. Oh, yeah, you got a hat now. Oh, I found it. It's called spline. Look how easy that is. I was literally drawing it in hand by hand, but this is way easier. Anyways. Okay, so first thing is I'm putting a 3D into a 2D. I'm putting a 2D into a 3D. So it's a little hard, but I'm gonna get there. Also, this is like for instance, this is like a machine part type thing. Not really like a creative program. So so for the first time doing this, it looks like a face, you know? It's got that 3D type thing. I legitimately cannot, I mean I can a little bit if I tried this, but it doesn't work. It doesn't want to work. Because I just don't know. It just doesn't want to work. And I outlined it and did it. Got one last thing and then I'll print it. I'm just gonna leave it to this because well, I'll finish the star. No. I'm leaving it to this. Ooh, we slicing it up. And what we got is, I think it's a pretty good print. Yeah, let's just try it out. Just printed. Holy cow. That's pretty wild. Yeah, it came out pretty well.